Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to make Krispy Kreme donuts. So we all love Krispy Kreme donuts, so who doesn't love it? So we're going to make the classic Krispy Kreme glazed donut right here. So the ingredients are going to be listed right here, so pause so that you will see it. So prep time is going to be 2 hours, cook time is 30 minutes, and it will take 2 hours and 30 minutes for this. So 24 servings will make it for this 2-hour preparation. So the ingredients are donut batter, 2.5 ounce of package of instant yeast, or 1 1/3 cup of warm water, 1 1/2 cup of milk, and 100 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, or 7 to 8 grams, and here 2 large eggs and butter, 76 grams. So 5 cups of all-purpose flour and canola oil for frying. So the donut glaze will be another thing. It's going to be a 1/2 butter that's melted, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then 5 to 7 teaspoons or tablespoons of evaporated milk. So the first instructions are listed right here. You can pause the video so that you'll be able to see it and understand it better. So you're gonna have a standing mixer, combine the water and yeast, and then let it dissolve for about 5 minutes. In the microwave, you will have to do a bowl of milk and then 2 minutes and then let it cool. And then you'll add the milk, sugar, salt, eggs, shortening, or butter, and 2 cups of flour to the bowl of yeast. Mix it for 2 minutes in medium speed. Place the dough in a greased bowl, and then you will have to cover it with a loosely clean cloth to let it rise in the warm, free place. Okay, so this will take you from 1 hour to 2 hours until it doubled. So you'll roll the dough out to about 1/4 inch or thickness. Then you will cut this into circles basically. That's your donut ready. And then in the large saucepan, you will place your oil, and then that's where you deep fry it, and then carefully drop it inside there. And then the donut glaze, you will have to heat the butter basically, and then stir the powdered sugar and vanilla extract until everything comes together, and then lastly the evaporated milk, and then until you have the desired consistency, you will have to dip it and let it drip on the rack, and it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that is how you make your Krispy Kreme donuts. We all love them. So these are the nutrition facts for this donut right here, and it's gonna turn out something like this. So there you go.